AOSKY also offers many various electrical roller shades. They have 3 distinct advantages over manual roller shades. With remote control, you can easily control rising and lowering of electric shades. Alexa, open the roller shades.
Okay.
For the needs of different household, we offer customization of our electrical shades in different sizes and much more. Check for more details when ordering. If what you need is not available or you are not sure about your choice, please contact us by the attached email and we will give you a professional guide.